Okay, okay, Tiger. Okay, Tiger. Whitefish. Whitefish. My God! 500! Cut flowers! My God! It's like Sophie! Oh! It's like Sophie! Oh my God! Thank you so much, Tyler! So generous, yeah. Tyler, thank you so much. It looks like Sophie. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Tyler, thank you. When are they going to give my salary? Ano siya, cat lover siya. Malaki yung pusa niya, 5 months lang, ang laki ng pusa niya, Persian, big. Is it big bone, Tyler? Your cat? She looks like she is. Very good. Look at the list that I need to get in the city. I need resume, birth certificate, Senomar to prove that I am single, national ID in the egov.ph, my SSS, like contribution history and details, my voter certificate to prove that I am still voting here in La Union, my LCR form just in case my birth certificate is blurred. Married! They need Senomar to prove that the person is single. I think they don't like it here if you have husband. But if you have husband, you need to get the marriage certificate. Since I am not married, I am single. I don't have marriage certificate. Maganda, no?